Hey guys, it's me, Kajaya Snow. I was outside today. I'm outside right now, and I found this bird. Sorry guys, that's my. Oh God, I gotta take this off. Okay, where is it? Where is it? It's right there. Focus. Right there. And I don't know what's wrong with it, but it's not flying like how it should be. And I'm gonna do what my mom says, and I'm not gonna touch it. I can't call animal control either, cause why you calling? It looks like it's breathing hard. I don't know what's wrong with it. Maybe it can't fly. It can't fly. It looks like it's gonna fly. It just spread out its wings. It looks like it's trying. Is it caught on something? Sorry, guys. I just saw another bird go and tap it, matter. I still see it. It's in the yeah. It's in the woods now. Me and my brother are finna go outside right now. And he's pretending like the scooter is his dog for some reason. I don't know. But anyways, I might end up recording a video tomorrow about something. So, bye guys. Love you.